children, and welcome back to your English 1 class after your long summer holidays. So I hope you all are fine and doing well. So children, let's get started with the English 1. So before holidays we completed till chapter 15, that is full stops, right? Although this exercise part 4 sentences are left that I will complete it, don't worry. Okay, and today we are going to start lesson 16, A and an, okay, which is given on page number 22. So you all open page number 22. So children, as you can see, I have written these alphabets on board: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So as you all know, there are 26 letters in English alphabets. Okay. So why have I written all these letters? This A, E, I, O and U. See, I have circled 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, they are known as vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. Okay. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. And the remaining letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called consonant. Okay? These are called consonants. So here we will study about vowels only. Okay? So children, these A, E, I, O, U vowels. Why we are studying this? Because all the words which starts with vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So first see some words that starts with vowels. Okay, I can say ant. Okay, ant is starting with A. Then another word that starts with vowels: elephant. Another word that starts with vowel: ice cream. Any other word? Orange. For you, for umbrella. So you can see, children, these words ant, elephant, ice cream, orange, umbrella, they are all starting with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. There are so many words that starts with vowels. So the words which starts with vowels, before those words we write article, this word an. Okay? Ant. An elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Okay? When we are talking about any one elephant, we will say an elephant. When we are talking about any one ant, we will say an ant. We will not say a ant. We will say an ant. When we are talking about one ice cream, अगर आपको बोलना है मुझे एक आइसक्रीम खानी है या मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी है, I want to eat an ice cream, not a ice cream. Okay? An ice cream. Give me an orange. An orange. When we talk about one orange. When we talk about one umbrella, an umbrella. Okay? So वो words जो vowels से start होते हैं, A, E, I, O, U, उनके पहले हम क्या लगाते हैं? An. Okay? उनके पहले हम an लगाते हैं. talking about other things which do not start with vowel, which start with consonant like ball. Ball B से start हो रहा है, वो उसके अब हम एक बॉल की बात करेंगे तो हम अ बॉल कहेंगे, अ पेंसिल, अ पेन, ओके। बट वो वर्ड्स जो ए ई आई ओ यू से स्टार्ट होते हैं उनके पहले हम हमेशा एन वर्ड लगाएंगे, ओके। जब हम एक की बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही नहीं, ये याद रखना, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन, इफ यू से एंड्स यू विल नॉट से एन एंड्स, सिर्फ एक एंड की बात करेंगे तब भी एन लगाएंगे, ये याद रखना। When we are talking about only one elephant, then only an elephant. When we are talking about one ice cream, मुझे एक आइसक्रीम खानी है, then only an ice cream, not ice creams. अगर आप ice creams बोलेंगे तो an ice creams नहीं होगा. When we are talking about one orange, then only an orange, an oranges नहीं बोलेंगे. सिमिलरली एन अम्ब्रेलास नहीं बोलेंगे, जब हम एक अम्ब्रेला की बात करेंगे तभी हम एन लगाएंगे. Children, hope this is clear to you. So now we will do the book exercise part. So you all open page number 22. So children, page number 22, lesson 16, A and An. Here are the letters of the alphabet again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Some of the letters have been printed in color. Write the letters printed in color here. So we can see here the box where letters are written. So which letter is printed? First is A. Okay. Again, next is E. It is also in red color. Then I. This is in red color. Then O. This is in red color. U. This is in red color. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U. These letters are in red color. So we have written here. Okay. So you will write it here. These 5 letters are called vowels. As I have already told you, these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, they are called vowels. Look at the words given below. I, boat, orange, apple, horse, ice, mango, onion, flower, umbrella, tree, bag. So these are the words which is given here. Now what you have to do? You have to write the words beginning with vowels A, E, I, O, U in the box marked. Write the words that do not begin with vowels in the box marked 2. So बच्चों आप देखिए यहाँ पर 2 बॉक्स है, ये बॉक्स 1, ये बॉक्स 2. तो आपको क्या करना है, इस बॉक्स में से जो भी वर्ड्स A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट होगा वो आप बॉक्स 1 में लिखेंगे, और जो A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा वो आप बॉक्स 2 में लिखेंगे. क्लियर है? ओके. सो एक एक वर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. I. सो I E से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, और E क्या है? E देखिए वॉवल है, तो हम E कहाँ लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट बॉक्स में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज बोट. बोट देखिए A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है, तो हम लोग इसको बॉक्स 2 में लिखेंगे. ऑरेंज O से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो ये यहाँ लिखेंगे फर्स्ट में. एप्पल, ये भी A से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ये भी वॉवल है, तो इसको भी हम फर्स्ट में ही लिखेंगे. हॉर्स, ये H से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, H वॉवल नहीं है, तो ये हम सेकेंड बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. आइस, ये आई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है यानी कि वॉवल से, सो इसको हम फर्स्ट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. मैंगो, ये M से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड M इज नॉट अ वॉवल, तो हम सेकेंड बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. अनियन O से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, O वॉवल है, तो हम इसको फर्स्ट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. ONION, अनियन. फ्लावर, फ्लावर F से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और F वॉवल नहीं है, तो हम इसको सेकेंड बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. FLOWER. अम्ब्रेला यू से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यू वॉवल है, तो हम इसको फर्स्ट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे, UMBRELLA। ट्री, टी से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ये वॉवल नहीं है, सो वी विल राइट इट इन द सेकेंड बॉक्स। एंड बैग starting with B and B is not a vowel, so we will write it in second box. So what are the words which we got in the first box? Eye, orange, apple, ice, onion, umbrella. और देखिए ये सारा स्टार्ट हो रहा है EOAIOU and these are all vowels. And here boat, horse, mango, flower, tree, bag. And these are all not starting with vowels. Okay. Now let's come to second page, page number 23. I'll just fold it like this. Okay. So on page number 23, as you can see, complete the naming words below the pictures by filling in the blanks with the missing vowels. Okay. तो हमें क्या करना है, देखो ये pictures दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, मिसिंग लेटर है, हमें फिल करना है उससे। तो दिस इज वेरी इजी, एज यू कैन सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज अ बैट, सो बी इज रिटन, टी इज रिटन, बीच में क्या आएगा, BAT बैट, यू विल राइट हियर A। दिस इज व्हाट, कैट, सो CAT कैट। नाउ हियर DOG डॉग। दिस इज व्हाट, हैट, so HAT hat. What is this, ball, so BALL ball. What is this, car, CAR car. What is this, pin, so PIN pin. And this is bed, BED bed. This is pillow, PILLOW pillow. This is pencil, PENCIL pencil. This is chair, so CHAIR chair. This is shoe, SHOE shoe. Now this is basket, BASKET basket. This is giraffe, GIRAFFE. Okay children, so you see in all the words we have filled it with vowels, A, O, A. So like this we have filled it with all the vowels and we complete these words. Look at these words, pen, boy, egg, cat, owl. So how do we say? We say a pen. देखो पेन जो है P से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो an pen नहीं बोलेंगे, we will say a pen. We will say a boy because B is not a vowel. But we will not say a egg. A egg नहीं बोलेंगे, वो गलत होगा क्योंकि egg E से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, so we will say an egg. Okay? A cat, an cat नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि ये C से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, C is not a vowel, तो हम a cat बोलेंगे. An owl, O से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, O vowel है, तो हम an owl बोलेंगे. Okay? So we use an before a word which begins with a vowel. जो word vowel से start होता है उसके आगे हम an लगाते हैं. So let's turn the page. Turn page number. Come on, page number 24. Here are some more examples. A hat, a table, a friend, an ant, an oar, an ice cream. देखिए जो भी words A, O, I यानी vowel से start हो रहा है, we are putting an. Okay? We say or write an ant because it begins with A. An egg because it begins with E. An ice cream because it begins with I. An onion because it begins with O. An umbrella because it begins with U. So all these words are beginning with vowel. Okay, ये सारे words किससे start हो रहे हैं? Vowel से start हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हम इनके आगे an लगाते हैं. I hope it is clear to you children. So we will do the next exercise, exercise D, that is fill in each blank with a or an. तो अब देखते हैं dog. Dog में क्या करेंगे? ये vowel से start नहीं हो रहा है, so we will write a dog. Next is apple. So apple starts with A and we know A is a vowel, so we will write an apple. A ball, because B is not a vowel. Orange, orange start हो रहा है O से, O vowel है तो हम an orange लिखेंगे. Ear, ear E is a vowel, so we will write an ear. Goat, G is not a vowel, so we will write a goat. Onion, it starts with O. O is a vowel, so we will write an onion. Calf, C is not a vowel, so we will write a calf. Cow, C is not a vowel, so we will write a cow. Elbow, E is a vowel, so we will write an elbow. Elf, again E is a vowel, so we will write an elf. Banana, B is not a vowel, so we will write a banana. Cake, C is not a vowel, so we will write a cake. Egg, E is a vowel, so we will write an egg. Umbrella, U is a vowel, so we will write an umbrella. Bell, B is not a vowel, so we will write a bell. Olive, O is a vowel, so we will write an olive. Aunt, A is also a vowel, so we will write an aunt. Uncle, U is again a vowel, so we will write an uncle. Sister, S is not a vowel, so we will write a sister. Boat, B is not a vowel, so we will write a boat. Okay? Next one is fill in the blanks with a or an. Harry has, see, owl. Owl, O is a vowel. So Harry has an owl called Hedwig. Mother put dash sandwich and dash apple in my lunch box. So sandwich, S is not a vowel, so a sandwich. Apple, A is a vowel, so an apple. Rana feeds dash stray dog and dash cat every morning. So stray, S is not a vowel, so a stray dog. C is not a vowel, so a cat. When Hema was in Africa, she saw dash elephant and dash zebra. Elephant, E is a vowel, so an elephant, and Z is not a vowel, so a zebra. It was raining, so Neeti carried a dash umbrella to school. U is a vowel, so we will write an umbrella. Zoya has dash orange raincoat and Rick has dash grey one. Orange, O is a vowel, so an orange raincoat, and Rick has, G is not a vowel, so we will write a grey one. The monkey sat on dash tree and ate dash banana. T is not a vowel, so a tree. B is also not a vowel, so a banana. Lala had dash oatmeal cookie and dash cake. So oatmeal, A is not a vowel, A is a vowel, so an oatmeal cake. Cookie, and C is not a vowel, so a cake. Tom likes dash egg and milk for breakfast. E is a vowel, so an egg. Dash emu is a very large bird. E is a vowel, so we will write an. So I am writing here capital A because we are beginning the sentence, and when we begin the sentence we use capital A. So an emu is a very large bird. So with this we complete the exercise part of this chapter. So children, please complete your book exercise. Thank you.